Did you know that the foods you eat every day could be slowly harming your vision? It's a shocking thought, especially when we realize how much of an impact our diet has on the health of our eyes, particularly as we age. As we grow older, our bodies go through natural changes, and so do our eyes. For people over 60, maintaining good vision becomes even more critical since conditions like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes become more common. In fact, nearly half of adults over 60 experience some form of vision loss. But here's the good news. A lot of the damage to your eyes can be prevented or even reversed by simply adjusting your diet. What you eat can either protect your eyes or lead to deterioration over time. In this article, we'll dive into the worst foods for your eyes and how you can make better choices to keep your vision sharp and clear. Easy to understand information. How diet affects eye health. To understand why certain foods are bad for your eyes, it's important to first grasp how diet impacts eye health. As we age, our eyes become more susceptible to damage due to factors like oxidative stress, poor blood circulation, and a decrease in the eye's natural defenses. The retina, lens, and other structures in the eye require a constant supply of nutrients to function properly. Without proper nourishment, they begin to deteriorate, leading to vision problems. Imagine your eyes as a complex system that relies on various nutrients to stay healthy and perform optimally. Just like a car needs the right kind of fuel and regular maintenance to run smoothly, your eyes need the right foods to function well. A diet that is high in processed foods, unhealthy fats, and refined sugars can overwhelm your body's ability to maintain eye health. These foods trigger inflammation, increase oxidative stress, and can even contribute to conditions like macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. So, how exactly does food contribute to these conditions? When you consume foods high in sugar or unhealthy fats, they can lead to inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Over time, this chronic inflammation can damage the retina, the part of the eye responsible for sending visual signals to the brain. Similarly, a poor diet can negatively affect blood circulation to the eyes, depriving them of the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. In short, the foods we choose to eat have a direct impact on how well our eyes perform. And with age, this impact becomes even more significant. Now, let's dive into the worst offenders, the foods that are most damaging to your eyes. The worst foods for your eyes. Now that we understand how diet can affect eye health, let's look at the specific foods that can be particularly harmful to your eyes, especially as you age. While indulging in these foods every so often might not have an immediate impact, consistently consuming them over time can contribute to the deterioration of your vision. Here are the top offenders. A. Sugary and processed foods. One of the biggest culprits in the decline of eye health is a diet high in sugar. When you consume sugary foods, your blood sugar spikes, leading to increased inflammation throughout your body, including your eyes. Over time, this inflammation can damage the retina, increasing the risk of developing diabetic retinopathy and other vision-related conditions. Foods high in sugar and processed ingredients also contribute to the breakdown of collagen and other vital proteins in the body, including those in the eyes. This can lead to issues such as cataracts, which occur when the lens of the eye becomes cloudy, impairing vision. Common sugary and processed foods include sodas, candies, baked goods, and many snack foods. While they might satisfy your sweet tooth, they can wreak havoc on your eye health. Quick tip: if you're craving something sweet, try opting for dark chocolate, which contains antioxidants that can actually be beneficial for your eyes. B. Fried and fatty foods. Fried foods and those rich in unhealthy fats are another group that can significantly impact your eye health. These foods, particularly those rich in trans fats and saturated fats, contribute to clogged blood vessels and poor circulation. Since the eyes rely on proper blood flow to receive essential nutrients and oxygen, consuming a lot of unhealthy fats can deprive your eyes of the nourishment they need to stay healthy.
A poor diet high in fatty foods can also contribute to macular degeneration, a condition that affects the central part of your vision, making it difficult to read, recognize faces, or drive. Examples of fatty and fried foods include fried chicken, fast food, chips, and foods that are loaded with butter or margarine. The more often you indulge in these types of foods, the greater the strain on your eye health. Visual example. Imagine your arteries as pipes carrying water to a garden. When these pipes become clogged, the water can't reach the plants, causing them to wither. Similarly, unhealthy fats can block blood vessels, preventing your eyes from receiving the necessary nutrients they need to stay healthy. C. Refined carbs. Refined carbs are another group of foods that can damage your vision. These foods, such as white bread, pasta, pastries, and white rice, are processed and stripped of their natural fiber, leaving behind simple sugars. When you consume refined carbs, they quickly break down into sugar, causing spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes can lead to oxidative stress, which accelerates the aging process in the body, including in the eyes. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, one of the leading causes of vision loss in people over 60. The damage caused by oxidative stress weakens the retina and other eye tissues, increasing the risk of AMD. Quick tip: swap out refined carbs for whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. These are not only better for your blood sugar levels, but also provide essential nutrients to keep your eyes healthy.
D. Dairy and high-salt foods. While dairy and salty foods might seem harmless, they can actually be problematic for eye health when consumed in excess. High calcium intake, particularly from certain dairy products, can lead to the calcification of the eyes, which increases the risk of cataracts. This condition clouds the lens of the eye, leading to blurry vision and, if left untreated, can result in permanent blindness. In addition, a diet high in sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which damages the blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. Over time, this can contribute to retinal damage and other serious eye conditions. Common dairy and high-salt foods include cheese, milk, processed meats, canned soups, and salty snacks. While these foods may be convenient or comforting, they aren't doing your eyes any favors. Illustrative example. Think of too much cheese or salt as a block in your system. Much like putting too much salt in a dish, it overwhelms the body and creates a buildup that affects your health. E. Caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol are commonly consumed but can have a negative impact on your eye health if overused. Excessive caffeine can lead to dehydration, which dries out your eyes and can worsen conditions like dry eye syndrome. Dehydrated eyes are more prone to irritation, inflammation, and discomfort, which can significantly affect vision quality. Alcohol, on the other hand, depletes essential vitamins and minerals in the body, particularly vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A helps the eyes process light, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Quick tip: moderation is key with both caffeine and alcohol. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and opt for alcohol-free days to give your body and eyes a break. With all this in mind, it's clear that what you eat directly impacts the health of your eyes. While occasional indulgence in these foods may not have immediate consequences, regularly consuming them over time can lead to serious vision problems as you age. Fortunately, by being mindful of your diet and making healthier choices, you can protect your eyes and reduce the risk of eye diseases. The eye-healthy foods to include in your diet. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid, it's time to highlight the good stuff, the foods that can protect and nourish your eyes. While cutting out harmful foods is important, it's equally essential to replace them with nutrient-dense options that will benefit your eye health. The key nutrients your eyes need to stay healthy are antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Let's take a look at some of the best foods that can help support your vision. A. Leafy greens and vegetables. One of the most powerful food groups for eye health is leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting the retina and reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. These antioxidants act as a natural filter, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Incorporating a variety of greens into your meals is simple and effective. You can toss some spinach into a salad, sauté kale as a side dish, or blend greens into a smoothie for an eye-healthy snack. B. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining the health of your retina, as they help reduce inflammation and protect against dry eye syndrome. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s and should be included in your diet regularly to keep your eyes functioning at their best. Studies have shown that individuals who consume a diet rich in omega-3s have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and dry eyes. Omega-3s also improve blood flow to the eyes, ensuring they get the oxygen and nutrients they need to remain healthy. C. Eggs. Eggs are another fantastic food for eye health, especially because they are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are essential for protecting your eyes from age-related damage. The yolks are particularly rich in these nutrients, so don't skip them. Eggs are also packed with vitamin A, which helps maintain good vision, especially in low light conditions. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, so including eggs in your diet can help prevent this issue. D. Berries and citrus fruits. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and supports the health of the blood vessels in the eyes. Vitamin C also plays a role in the production of collagen, which is important for maintaining the integrity of the eye's tissues. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are also excellent sources of vitamin C and can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. A glass of fresh orange juice or a handful of berries can provide a tasty boost to your eye health. F. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E is also important for maintaining healthy cells in the eyes, helping to reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts are great sources of vitamin E, and they can easily be added to your diet as a snack or a topping for salads and cereals. A small handful of nuts each day can provide the necessary nutrients to support your eye health. F. Sweet potatoes and carrots. Sweet potatoes and carrots are excellent sources of beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that is essential for good vision. Vitamin A helps the eyes convert light into nerve signals, which the brain uses to process images. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, so consuming foods rich in beta-carotene is important for maintaining healthy vision. Carrots are particularly well known for their eye health benefits, but sweet potatoes are just as powerful, and they offer a delicious and nutritious alternative. You can enjoy them roasted, mashed, or added to soups and stews. Incorporating these eye-healthy foods into your diet can have a lasting impact on your vision. By focusing on nutrient-rich options such as leafy greens, fish, eggs, berries, and nuts, you can give your eyes the nourishment they need to stay strong and healthy well into your later years. Remember, it's never too late to start taking better care of your eyes, and making small changes in your diet can yield big results. Before we dive into the conclusion, I want to hear from you. Comment below with any symptoms or eye diseases you're concerned about. I'll be replying to the comments or addressing them in my next video so everyone can know how to handle it. I'm here to help you maintain good health and happiness with the people you love. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends so they can learn more about this important knowledge. Conclusion: protect your vision now. As we've seen throughout this article, what we eat plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, especially as we age. The foods you choose to consume can either help protect your eyes or contribute to a variety of serious eye conditions. By avoiding harmful foods like sugary snacks, fried and fatty foods, refined carbohydrates,
and excessive dairy and salt, you can reduce the risk of developing conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. But it's not just about avoiding the bad stuff. It's also about incorporating eye-healthy foods into your diet. Leafy greens, omega-3 rich fish, eggs, berries, and nuts are packed with the essential nutrients that can help preserve your vision and protect against age-related damage. By making small changes and opting for foods that nourish and support your eyes, you can maintain clear vision and enjoy a higher quality of life as you age. So, take action now. Start making healthier food choices and remember that your eye health is in your hands. And before you go, I want to hear from you. Comment below with your symptoms or concerns about eye diseases, and I'll respond in the comments or address them in my next video, so everyone knows how to manage them. I'm committed to helping you achieve better health and happiness with the people you love. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, so they can also benefit from this crucial knowledge. Keep those eyes healthy.